All right, where do I start? The moment has come. This car is going on the road, but along with some major finishing touches, it needs some mechanical work, which is a little daunting because I've never done any mechanical work ever on any car before. All right, let's get to it. All right, stop just for a bit. I recorded that portion of the video almost 1 year ago. If you want to know why it took me so long to make this video, I was way in over my head with how much work this was going to be. And you can see so over here. So I'll begin with the rear brakes. 2 minutes passed into my very first brake change and I already have a problem. So check this, I gotta take this off, but these nuts or screws or whatever you wanna call them, they're not coming off. I use WD-40. I also use this cooling spray to loosen this screw. Nothing is working. Look at this. There are no ridges over here. So I'm stuck with 2 options. The first, I'll use an angle grinder over here and take this off. But if that doesn't work, I'll have to cut this whole drum in half without damaging the stuff inside. This is not how I expected my first brake change to go. So I did manage to get it off with an angle grinder, but as you can imagine, the whole process of changing brakes in an old car like this, it's not always as straightforward as Chris Fix-It makes it out to be. All of the bolts were stripped, plus everything was covered in some asphalt gunk. It was also really hard to move around from one side of the car to the other because my garage was just not made for such a big vehicle.
Small space, small space. Oh.
Basically, everything was going pretty hard and not really working out. Just tape them. Good for now. All right, looks pretty bad, I know. And so I'm thinking, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what I'm doing. There's an unimaginable amount of work ahead of me, and I gave focus to what was hard instead of the easy work in front of me. And so that pressure almost stopped me. That's how it was. But here's the thing, giving up was not an option. I told myself, you know what? Let's go step by step. Do what you know and get to the hard stuff later. So I said, let's weld. Then to make room for the new windshield, I had to move down the steering wheel.
And after that was done, I made a list of all that needed to be done, turned off my mind, and just worked. So now the dreaded breaks, no more wasting time. I called a mechanic for advice. I learned from me, while it's great to figure out everything on my own, succeeding in my goals on time is even better. With the right knowledge, it wasn't that hard.
Okay, so with the details done, what I'm gonna go do now is put these large tires on, spacers that I had custom built.
These were really expensive, but my donor car wasn't built to have such large wheels on it. So that's why we need these conversion spacers. But there are some problems. Unfortunately, the wheel nuts are the exact same size as the holes in my spacers, meaning, how am I gonna wrench it? So these were marketplace wheels, and it was time for some cosmetic changes. So this old Fiat, which this is, at this point has 15-inch deflated wheels on one side and these monster wheels on the other. You can't really capture it on video how tipped this thing was.
This thing is huge. It is real hard to say just how unbelievably huge this thing is. Oh.
Beautiful new day. Now it's gonna be all about getting the small details to line up. This corner to line up over here, this corner to line up over here, this over here has to line up. All right. I just love how this looks from the front. So this is the bottom, and you see how curved the ends are. That's how much I have to bend this whole bumper.
Back in the garage. All right, so it's still not perfect, but it's mine. Now, I'm gonna get some good rest. I feel a little sleepy.
Dimitri! What? Where are we? But this is your home. Where is my Cybertruck? What Cybertruck? Volga. Was this all a dream? Да.